Sorry, I'm kind of rushing. I shouldn't rush. Split it. I don't want it to be so, however, functionality of it, be trimming these. Push in and wait. Gather that clay. Nice and low. Low, low, low. Okay, then pushing it in and remembering to leave the rim thick. Okay, I'm finishing the rim, so I'm coming into my finished diameter. Leave it a little bit wider. And after this pull, I'll make the gallery before I belly it out. Okay. Split it right in the middle. Give it some pressure, give it some speed, and kind of significant. And on this pull, I will begin to make the shape. So coming outwards, just beginning. And then slowly following the line back in, just a little bit. Okay. Now I could look, I don't want too much of a dangerous angle yet. I'm gonna kind of give it a little more shape here. Bring the shoulder up, see how it stays. And I can use this now to continue the form. Oops, I knocked it off a little bit. Okay, to really push that out. Let's see if we're gonna lose it. Here we go, all the way up, all the way down. Rib is so nice. There's so many different kinds of round, but I kind of have this cut in here without doing too much damage. Yep. But that's a separate out the knot and in. It has a nice taper, so it's going to get thinner as it goes down. And just taking a look at the I'm going to open it pretty wide and bring it in just like a bottle shape, just like a cylinder. You want to still be able to get your hand in here at this point, or some fingers at least down to the bottom. Okay. I'm just looking at the shape of the teapot and trying to stay kind of energetically consistent with it. I tend to make a little bit longer spout. Okay. Until I can feel that it's disconnected. Ideally, this is even and not too thick. Feels disconnected. Bring it over. Let's grab it and move it. Oopsie, sorry. And then I'm going to do a big move, which is grabbing the spout, supporting it here, like at the neck of the spout, and bending. This is a spout, a bend, and that's what's going to, when we heavy. Pussyfooting around, no finagling, no dialing it in. It's dialed. It was thrown dialed in. I'm doing that from now on. Now, there is a hole here. I'm gonna need to probably do some surgery. That's where the knob would be, but let's see. I'm gonna go down, and I'll check it. I think I'm done now. Not as thick as the other one, because the other wire's bigger and thicker. So I'm just sawing this one up. gotta wait for it to dry a little bit. There we go. Okay, put this guy on the side for Amy 25. See it, I can see how I want it. I can see that teapot. Feels like the spout turns into the mound. Saw a little bit to get it started, know where 6 o'clock is, and don't take off too much to start. I can always take off more. Oopsie, I lost that one. And I'm just gonna come towards the center. Okay, great. Now, keep it on its little, okay. It's a little too high pot, so somewhere like that I think looks really good. Okay, great. So I'm gonna put it towards me and mold it into the pot. And I will pluck it off and set it like in a very precarious area. Now this is gonna be a lot. That one's more of kind of after the Richie Bellinger teapot. So yeah, I guess I'll put them on. All right, so here we are. I always make it something nice. Getting the profile, getting the height of the spout, coming back to center, checking for center. This one almost is already. Okie dokie. 5. And again, not cutting too much. Your spout looks like an actual this, and then add the handle. I have to decide what kind of handle. Let's see if we can. That's a very, so I was looking at it like this, which is nice, you know, it is nice. And find this and cut it at an angle. So I was just looking to make this symmetrical, and then I'll put it on there. It looks really balanced. And straight over the spout. And separated out most of it. I didn't unload it yet, it's still like 450.
It's pretty warm. Do we want to open the garage and have the heat go out?
Here, and on both sides. Put it on, you know, level. Okay. Again, the slip was on the handle, not on the pot, so I have a cleaner, less cleaning up because it's more precise. Clay, you know, I can take a little bit of getting the slip out of it and just getting some water on it. Sometimes people